Hello, this is Sean Lenders, digital coach for Union County. I want to show you a way of doing a little bit of pixel art in Google Sheets. So first thing I want to do is get these to where they're down to the same size. Now when I'm talking about pixel, I'm talking about just one little cell at a time is how we're going to paint. If you want to think kind of like pointillism. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this little corner piece, and that actually allows me to select all. So that's just clicking right here. Now if I grab any of these corner pieces and pull it in, it's going to actually cause it to resize everything for me. Grab that. It's not letting me grab. There we go. You see it went ahead and resized all of these. So I've got this pretty close to being squares, and closer the better for this. It doesn't necessarily have to be that way. Honestly, if you can go small, your artwork will be a little bit nicer, a little cleaner. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a little design. And so I'm going to select multiple cells. And I'm going to pick the color green. Let's try for a Christmas tree effect here. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep going up and painting this same color over and over until I get up to the top. So what's going to end up happening is I'm going to have this nice little effect of a tree that gets built. Let me just keep going up and up. And so you can kind of get the idea. I'll stop right here so you can kind of get what I'm going for. Because this is like a real simple idea about how we can do this, kids can do a lot of different projects with this. We can have them write out their names, write out a little poster, and it's really easy to just kind of edit and make changes to this. So you'll see the natural issue is I'm not going to be able to get rounded shapes, but instead of a Christmas tree, I went for a mushroom. You can see though, we can design this fairly quickly, fairly easily. I can get a little background color going and have that be there. Like I said, come up with some pretty good ideas, and if you need to just add more cells to right, just continue to increase, and you'll be able to define that as well. So insert to the left, insert to the right, and I'll just keep building. So if you have any questions on how to do this, just let me know. We'd love to see some of the works that your students come up create. It'd be nice to have a little gallery of these, but if there's anything I can do for you, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, guys.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you would, please click the like button and the subscribe so you can be up to date with any of our new videos. And thank you for watching.